Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about pothos, also called as money plant, and it can be found in our Indian homes, be it kitchen, living room, bedroom, or for that matter even bathroom. They can thrive in any situation if proper care is taken. Today I am going to give you a complete guide on how you can propagate these pothos, take care of them, and some amazing styling techniques to decorate. So let's get started.
Money plants can be propagated by cutting the branch of the existing plant. Now you can see I'm going to clip the portion to be propagated from this plant. Cut as close to the node as possible. This is to ensure that we acquire maximum growth hormones. So now you can decide where you want to grow this plant. You can directly plant these cuttings in the soil, but such propagation requires more initial care and attention, and which I will discuss in the care part of this video. So I prefer to propagate in water first and then transfer the clippings into the soil. Just keep the clippings in the water for few days until you see roots coming out like this. And yes, they are ready to be planted. I have used potting mix. See to it, holes are drilled at the bottom for good drainage. And now you can place the cuttings in the soil. Water the plant until you see water is seeping out from the bottom. The plant will take about 3 to 4 weeks to reach up to this stage of growth. This is just to show you guys that these cuttings are placed in water since almost 3 months. You can just check out the size of the roots.
Although pothos require very less care and attention, these are few tips if followed properly will give you a healthy and robust plant.
Check the soil condition and water the plant only if it is dry. Pothos demand an adequate amount of water in its initial days, so when you have got a new one, don't forget to water it well. Keep the plant in indirect sunlight area such as windows or balconies, and make sure to rotate it regularly to get even light exposure. Regular fertilizing is a key to healthy plant. Usually, money plants should be fertilized once every 3 months to enhance their growth. All my plants, including pothos, a mixture of 2 tablespoons of milk in a glass of water once a month. I came across this secret while I was reading a blog related to pothos, and trust me, it worked wonders. You can also use rice or dal water, which we generally throw away. If you can see this money plant of mine, which is about a year old, the stem has grown thick and strong, and also the size of the leaf is larger than the normal size. Pruning or clipping is necessary to give proper shape to your pothos. Check for yellow or dried leaves and clip them off with a pair of scissors. If you can see this plant, it is healthy but not very bushy. If I let it grow like this without any clipping, it will look very thin and scanty. But if I cut it from this point, It will start growing sideways and become very heavy and bushy, just like this one, which is well pruned. The clippings can be planted and regrown. Pruning is a simple process, but just make sure it's done correctly. The biggest advantage of pothos is that they can grow in any part of your house. And these are some of the places where I have used money plant to enhance my home decor. I hope even you like it.
Hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Please feel free to comment if I have missed out on any information, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.